Hello, I'm Linda Diamond. I'm the author of the Teaching Reading Sourcebook and the president of the Consortium on Reaching Excellence in Education. We provide professional development in literacy and math. I'm happy to endorse the use of digiCOACH. We sell digiCOACH as a partner to the digiCOACH company to our clients. We do that because it supports educators as they're implementing strong literacy instruction, strong math instruction, and new curriculum. The core additions are contained within digiCOACH, and many of our clients are urged to purchase the digiCOACH system in order to have a coherent and consistent coaching tool that the principals and coaches and teachers can use together. We encourage all of our districts to make use of digiCOACH to provide strong teacher support. Thank you.